Welcome to Susanna Foo Home Cooking. Today I will make flowering cauliflower. It is a very popular variety of cauliflower among Chinese. I'm sure the flower cauliflower is going to be very popular in America. You will be the first one to try it. In this recipe, I will use around 1.5 pounds of flowering cauliflower and separate these flowers. 1 whole red pepper cut into half-inch dice, 5 scallions, white part onion thinly sliced, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and fresh ground pepper by the end, 3 tablespoons corn oil or light olive oil, 3 cloves of garlic thinly sliced, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. First, you heat up the oil in a large pot and add the garlic and sauté until slightly soft. Then add the cauliflower and stir and fry together for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then add the red pepper and sauté. Then add about 1/4 cup of water and cover the pot and simmer until the florets are slightly soft, about 15 minutes. Then add the salt and fresh ground pepper and stir for another minute or 2. Then add the soy sauce. Then add the scallion. Turn off the heat. Spoon into a large plate and serve. You can garnish with some fresh herbs such as cilantro, basil, or tarragon. And it's wonderful to serve either warm or cold. I hope you enjoyed this meal. You can always find the full recipe in the description below. Happy and healthy cooking. See you next time.